Hello art historians, I'm going to be your teacher this trimester. My name is Mr. Granlund. This video is coming out a little bit late. But what I hope to do is take you through a little bit of what's happening in Module 0 and give you kind of a brief introduction to Apex Learning System, how to get there and what to do. And so what we're doing is we're kind of launching, this is a new course, Art Appreciation, and we hope to teach you some things both practically and kind of things more academically. So we might do some drawing type things, we might do some studying and testing kind of things. It's going to feel kind of like a cross between like maybe a history class and an art class. And hopefully, I hope that you walk out of here or leave this class with a better understanding and appreciation of art. Okay, so I'm excited to start this journey with you, but let's take a look at our Schoology site and also Apex. So this right here is the Apex Learning System. Now it might look a little bit different on your screen, and I'm still in the progress of reducing the number of units to something that I think is going to be very manageable in a trimester. But as you go through this, you're going to have your timeline history up here, and it's going to show you what your progress is looking like as you work through this. Now from Schoology, what you're going to do, this is our Schoology page, and I'm going to go to the top here. We got a cool logo. I actually really like that logo that I made. Bunch of art, and we hope to teach you all about it. So we have these links here if you want to click and type a chat or a question or something here. We have finalized our schedule here. So on Friday from 9:10 to 9:40 and Wednesday from 10 to 10:30, we are going to have a Zoom class. And if you click on this link, it'll take you right to the Zoom sessions. If you have any specific questions about like your device, there's kind of an FAQ here. And this class help section, this is going to be coming soon, but I'm actually going to delete this out. And once I work out all the kinks of how this class help section is going to work, you'll see this pop up again. Okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to have modules for all the different learning that we do this trimester, and everything is going to go back to Apex Learning System. So in Module 0, all I'm trying to do is get you used to sharing a little bit of information about yourself, and then also trying some different types of assignments and turning them in. So these are very quick, formative things, and it will probably not even take you a day or even an hour to do all of them. Okay? So there's a couple of things that I have you read here and post in the discussion prompt. You'll probably notice that there are you have to make submissions in these course items in order to get through the whole thing and for the next module to pop up. In our Zoom sessions, it's not going to be like a traditional class. So what's going to happen is in our Zoom sessions, I'm going to be probably splitting up the classes into different rooms depending on which module or thing you're working on, and I'll do like a small large group thing. I'll say, okay, we're going to break into our groups, and if you're working on this part of module 1 or this part of module 2 or whatever, you're going to go to this group or this group, and then I'll pop in there and kind of help you think through what are the things that you have to do, and then basically give you opportunities to do that. Okay, so our Zoom sessions are going to be pretty brief and pretty straight to the point, and I hope to mix in a little bit of getting to know you in those Zoom sessions as well. Okay, let's take a look at Schoology again. Now the best way I have found to get to the Apex Learning is over here on the left. It says Apex Learning LTI 1.1. It's awfully technical. So we click on that. This section might look differently for you. There might be another link there that you have to click on, but that's going to bring you to Apex Learning. Now we will start with the first unit, Introduction to Painting, and it shows you your progress through here. I am still going through and deleting different study sessions here. Each of these study sessions are around 20 to 30 pages. And then there's a quiz and some sort of thing to kind of wrap it up. The way that we do our learning thing is this lesson here. So influences, real or imaginary. You'll have an overview, which will be like really quick, giving you an idea of it. Usually I'll just have you do one study session. If it's less than 20 pages or around 20 pages for both studies, I might have you do both. There will be some sort of review, and then there will be some sort of assessment. And that's going to be different every time. Sometimes it'll be like a discussion on Schoology. Sometimes it'll be making a picture. Sometimes it'll be like I'll show you a picture and I'll have you kind of like identify things by like drawing on the screen of it. And then there will be some sort of test kind of at the end of the module to kind of sum up, did you learn everything? Now, in everything that we do in these lessons, the most important thing that I want you to take from it is not an ability, a better ability to turn in worksheets or things like that, but I really want you to learn and use things about art history. And that's kind of my intent for the thing, so that you can become an interesting art historian. And if you have questions, and when you have questions, we will work together to figure it out. So I look forward to your emails and seeing you in the Zoom sessions, and have a great day. Thank you, historians.